Glad you enjoyed the Vanspeed shop tour. Today, we're gonna take a deeper dive into what goes behind building a Vanspeed van and the people doing it. For today's installment, I'm gonna introduce Javier, the carpentry manager behind all the cabinets and carpentry that goes into a Vanspeed van. So Javier, what is your role at Vanspeed?
My role as Vanspeed is I am leader in carpenter area. I'm the manager.
How long have you been in your profession?
Oh, I started in the 90s, so over 30 years on my profession.
Throughout the 20 plus years you've been in carpentry, what different industries have you worked in?
In the beginning, I started working in the 90s on limousine companies. And also I work for another companies. They build mobile office.
Government.
Yeah, government is a Macman,
Yeah.
remember? We worked in Macman, Robo. So I built there all the cabinets, all the desks, tables, countertops, and everything for them.
So you've really done it all. From RVs to buses to little offices, government, police,
Yes.
to vans. You've done every single
Everything.
moving, rolling vehicle out there.
Yeah.
Wow. So over 20 years in carpentry,
Yes.
how many fingers do you have?
Oh, luckily I have
All 10?
10 or 10. Okay.
How long have you been working at Vanspeed for?
Started in Vanspeed on the 2020, so I have over 4 years.
How many people currently do you supervise in the cabinetry department?
Right now it's 4 people.
In building a Vanspeed van, what's one of the most important things while building you look for throughout the process?
I like to see everything almost perfect and see when the customer, they love it, they like it. And also see when everything is safe for the customers. That's what I like to see. Perfection.
You know all the different model names?
California Coast, Evergreen, Evergreen 2, the Loft.
What's your favorite Vanspeed layout?
California Coast. The bed has more natural wood, maple wood. So I always love working the natural wood and the spray and looks shiny and perfect. I love that.
What do you think separates Vanspeed from the competition?
Then you really like it, you make it better than everybody else. Some people just think, yes, exactly, passion.
Yep.
Exactly. When you don't have a passion, you don't really care about that job. But when you do with passion, everything gonna be better. I think we are the best, the number one.